Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OBLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. So the first thing I'm going to do, though, is a little house cleaning here and just get rid of that line down there. And I'm getting rid of that. Sure, it pertains, but from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest key areas is right there at $1.30, and that's what I would call the preferable area of support. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above $1.30. With that being said, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that if the price falls below $1.30, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above there, that would definitely be a nice sign of overall power going forward. Taking a step back, though, and looking at all of this from a bigger picture point of view, so this certainly assumes that you have a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.30 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above the purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the next key one in the nearer term is going to be right up there at $1.70. And if the price can push up through $1.70, then the next key one is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was up there at $1.92. So all in all, nice movement, and as long as the price continues to chip away and build higher bases, that's the name of the game. So just sit back and let the trend do its thing, and we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.